Wait. Okay. Guys. Yeah, making this video. Hold on, someone sent me a Snapchat. Well, making this video of FaZe Rain late fight with FaZe Banks in the FaZe house. Well, I'm get some reactions off this. Hope you like and subscribe and keep the notifications and comment down below. Alright, let's go.
Oh my god, dude.
It's okay. Oh, you're an arm, so you every single time Apex says one or two, do not get the fuck out of the right now. Every day arguing, the last time 3 times
What did he do?
It doesn't matter, bro. There's a reason he doesn't like fucking with you, because every time you two get into an argument, you talk every day. Oh, really? Oh, okay, cool. But I'm saying every single time you two argue, what are you saying? I go listen to what you just said. You spit on the car because your Snapchat was working. So I am crazy too, but you're crazy.
He's just dissing him on his own words.
Listen, bro, but the shit that you're the biggest manipulator of all manipulators, and it's disgusting.
That's sad. That is plain sad.
Explain. Dude, I don't even need to. It's like this. You got nothing. It's just this. It's nothing. Bro, for every thing you'll make everything seem, like you're a victim in every display. What do you mean?
That is true. What Rain just said is so true.
Dude, every single little certain.
I don't get it. What did he do? What did Banks do?
Fucking food, okay? Or we fucked around as we drove.
Did he?
Your food yesterday. Dude, when I fucking bought myself,
what did he do? I don't get it. Y'all comment if y'all are one of FaZe Rain fan, FaZe Banks. Just like, I don't know what happened. What happened? What happened? I can say that.
Why is the conversation here now?
You constantly say, dude, I wouldn't have shit that work for you. I wouldn't have shit. So you say that to me, you tell me those ideas, and then I bring it back up to you when you try to bring it up to me.
Thanks, you got my girl, thanks.
Real quick. Okay, quote me tomorrow. You have done infinitely more for me than I have for you. Yes. Okay. I'm done doing things for you. And I am 100% doing things for you. Okay. And you'll see how that works.
He's gonna get kicked. Right at the end, he's gonna get kicked.
And that's fucking cool. And this isn't a personal. Dude, that's what you just said. So disrespectful, and you're so fucked for saying it. Dude. And I know that eventually, hopefully this is gonna be the one time where you just say, "God, I fucked up. That was my bad." Because I'm seriously done with that. Like, fuck that. I helped you so much, dude. Day to day, help. Oh, and I haven't done shit for you. Bro, what do I? As far as what happens behind your back when I'm fucking always saying good.
Why does he have to put it on Skype? Getting to argue with him? I mean,
you go to fucking Hex and Nate John saying
he's
anything
got
for me, but that means fuck all.
3 people, or 3,
including him, 4, arguing with
FaZe Banks.
That's fine.
Because he's on drugs. He's on Adderall and some other stuff. I don't know. But I've been watching FaZe Banks for a long time. And Rain is the leader of FaZe.
I'll leave the call. I'll leave the call. 100%.
Wow. I feel bad for FaZe Banks, dude. Oh my god. Like, what did he do? Alright, if you like this video, subscribe, like, comment down below. If you like this video, give me some more videos I should do, because I don't know, because I done this one FaZe Rain leaked fight with FaZe Banks in the FaZe house. So, drop a like, subscribe, I don't know where it is, down here. When you go to my channel, you watch the video, it'll be down here. Like and comment down all the way down below. And See y'all guys later. A little haze urge.